Why do we say that all beings are equal in front of a shotgun? You will understand after reading about the following types of ammunition. The first type is birdshot, used to hunt small flying animals. Birdshot doesn't fire large pellets, but tiny lead caps or iron sand. Each cartridge contains hundreds to dozens of small pellets. The second type is the deer bullet, similar to birdshot, but with larger pellets inside. These bigger pellets are capable of killing a deer, meaning they are highly lethal to the human body as well. The third type is the single-headed bullet. A single-headed bullet contains only one projectile. Some versions even have a rifle design, causing the bullet to spin in the air for better accuracy and ballistic performance. The fourth type is the dragon knee bullet. When fired, this bullet releases a red dragon flame. It can cause horrible burns within a 10-meter radius. Bulletproof vests are useless against it. The last type is glass bullets. These are designed to break through buildings. After hitting the target, they explode into tens of thousands of glass shards, which become embedded in flesh and tissue. Even with advanced medical technologies like X-rays, it's extremely difficult to treat.